How to fix TikTok error with blank profile. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all check your internet connection. Then head to the Play Store. Now tap on the search icon. Now type TikTok and click on search. Now tap on TikTok and make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, go back to the home screen and open up settings on your device. Now scroll down, click on apps, then go to app management. Now find TikTok. Now tap on force stop and go to storage usage. Now tap on clear data and tap on delete. Now restart TikTok. If this doesn't solve your issue, go back to the home screen, open up Play Store, simply uninstall TikTok. Again tap on install. Now simply restart your device. I hope this will fix the issue. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.